Before we can install, we'll download the installer. If we go to www.java.com, we'll find the downloader on the front page. We can click on Java Download, and then agree and start download. When prompted, click Save File, and depending on your internet speed, the download may take anywhere from a couple seconds to a minute. Once the download completes, you can close the browser, open up Windows Explorer, go to your Downloads folder, and you'll see the setup file. You can double-click it to start the installation. When the user account control pops up, click Yes. You can click the Install button. Once the installation starts, the installer is going to decompress the files and move them into the installation directories. This can take several minutes. When the installation completes, you can click Close, and Java is now installed.